Sure. Before diving deeper into the exact solutions, I would like to introduce basically the three different concepts of workflows that we use as categories here at Sonera. And what Bobby just showed is basically it's a rule-based workflow. It has like deterministic and predefined way of execution. And that's great for all automations that have exactly a predefined state and are often on this like happy path, you could say. But what Bobby introduced right there are just so many different paths that which have to be covered by certain flexibility. And this is where rule-based workflows usually hit certain limitations. And at Sonera, we have two options or like two agentic capabilities that we can then introduce into our workflows. The first one is basically also a rule-based workflow, which is an AI enhanced workflow, calling basically certain AI capabilities inside your rule-based workflow and introducing certain intelligence in that way into your workflow. So you could imagine calling an LLM inside your rule-based workflow, getting a result back and working with that inside your rule-based workflow. That already gives you some flexibility and can handle some complex rules there. Um, but you have to make sure that the outputs of your AI are processable downstream. And the third stage is basically an agentic workflow. So that is a system designed specifically to handle complex situations autonomously and adapt to different requirements and situations. And this can really adapt flexibly because it can basically, while it is executed, it can decide what to do next in the process. And this is what Lillian and I had a look at and tried to solve this challenge with.